There's always an excuse. There's always an excuse. So tell me why and what is the use, 'cause there's always is an excuse. Now imagine if the right, I mean the brothers are not the mothers, I mean the right brothers. If they had given up, then we would not be flying today, so why give up trying? Yeah, I'm trying my best to compose, and I suppose you don't know where my path goes. So just keep on watching, listening, and subscribe so you're not missing anything that goes on. But you know what? I'm from here, there, and everywhere, and I dare compare myself to the best. Well, I suggest to myself that I get training so I can become one of them, because it's the top of the mountain. Yeah, over there is where I want to go.